Let's rank some sounds. Cat purring. Definitely one of my favorite because it means kitty is happy. Chalkboard scraping. Hmm, I don't think it's a good idea. 5. Piano music. Great. Number 3. I love piano and the music. A grasshopper in the night. That seems so romantic. So 4. Alarm clock. Oh, I don't like it, especially in the morning. Football fans, it's so noisy, of course. Tap dripping, still tolerable. Waves. Actually, I love the sound of the waves when I'm on a beach. The wind blowing in the trees. 8.